Welcome to the Kawasaki shop. I'm going to show you guys a little bit of engine work I'm doing today. First we got to get some tunes going. There's the Kawasaki right there. But what we're working on today is this Chevy Prizm, 2000 Chevy Prizm, which, as you can see here, we removed the head off of it. And there you can see the block with the honed cylinder walls and new rings, new pistons, new bearings. Looks very clean. I like to keep it covered up so we don't get any dirt in there. Okay. And what we're doing today is we're lapping valves on this thing. As you can see, local shop cleaned up the block for us. And Rock Auto provided us with brand new valves. Now, I don't have the old ones to show you, but this motor was burning a quart of oil every week, which is about 100 miles. And the old valves got burnt up, and what that means is inside this ring where it makes contact with the surface there, that's called the valve seat. It was getting pit marks from the heat and the acid and all the combustion gases from burning oil. So what we had to do is order new ones, clean up the block, and now we have to lap them. And you guys are wondering what that is. There's a few other videos out there on YouTube, but you pick up a $5 tool like this. It's got a suction on either side. And as you can see, my valves I've got numbered, and then I've got the corresponding number on the block, because once you lap them, they are seated into that valve seat. So you don't want to mix them up, or you're not going to get a proper compression there. But you can see this thing has two ends, a smaller side and a bigger side. I like to use the bigger side. And what you do is, when you have the valve up, you want to oil the valve stem, but you get yourself these grinding compounds, metal grinding compounds. And I've got the fine one here. This is the coarse one. You start out with the coarse one, and you put a little bit around the edge of that valve seat, or onto the edge of the valve, and then you spin it around back and forth, and then pick it up every once in a while and spin it. That way it falls back in there. And as you do this, I've already done the coarse one on this one. As you do this, the pitch will change. Oops, popped it off of there. There we go. And I'm using the fine right now. Make sure you guys oil the stem, because you don't want to wear out that valve stem on your new valves. Not getting very good suction on this one. There we go. And you do this for a little bit until you hear the sound change. And you can hear that. That one is already pretty good. Then you want to use a rag to clean off any excess. Make sure you guys mark them. You can use a little brake parts cleaner to get that get the writing off your block there later on when you go to install them, compress them in. That's pretty much to it, guys, to lap in the valves. Hope you guys enjoyed that from my little Kawasaki shop. See you later.